Hi everyone, this is a demonstration video of our project, and the project is State Machine Simulator and Math Visualization. The group members are Abhi, Abhinav, Aparna and Vaishnav, and our internal guide is Dr. Hari R. The key component for joyful learning is the art of being visual. In science, a picture can spawn 1,000 ideas. A picture can lead to the deep understanding of tricky piece of problems. Mathematical visualization is used throughout mathematics. This project is looking into the visual aspect of some mathematical concepts and build a library for state machine simulation. The main motivation behind this project is the difficulties we faced during our graduation course in electronics to understand a thorough idea of various concepts. This situation forced us to seek the help of visualization software or YouTube videos which explain concepts in depth with animations. But there weren't any free or open source tool to completely satisfy us. Therefore, we decided to build a tool for our younger generations to have a better understanding of what they are studying in theory through visualization and simulation for free. The project consists of two different parts, a mathematical visualization interface and a state machine simulation tool. In the mathematical visualization interface, we are visualizing 10 different mathematical concepts from linear algebra and probability. Using the graphic user interface Kinter library of Python, these concepts are animated and presented to the users. Every window in this consists of detailed narration of what is happening in the animation and a brief description about the mathematical concept. The state machine simulation library consists of simple building blocks for constructing a state machine. A user with basic electronics knowledge can build a state machine using these libraries and simulate the output. Simulation library is a group of different classes which is the mathematical representation of different electronic components connecting configurations, feedbacks, digital parameters, continuous to discrete conversion section, etc. Now let's see the demonstration of our visualization tool. This is the software application we build using Kinter library in Python, which is used to build graphical user interface. This window shows all the mathematical topics. They are divided between linear algebra and probability. To see what Monte Carlo is about, select Monte Carlo. A new window opens up. It shows its definition. Value 1 is given in the input field. This is the animation of Monte Carlo simulation. Under how it's done, each and every step involved in the animation is written, such as here a square is taken and then a circle, after which the sampling points are also taken, and the calculated values finally joins the target value, which is the pi value. All these steps are written here. Now coming to linear transformation, the degree of rotation is given and the text is also entered, and here we can see the transformation. The explanation is written in the opened window. Another value can be entered and the changes can be seen in the output accordingly, thereby helping the students to analyze the differences. Then in image compression, the image to be compressed is selected. The image is opened. There is a slider present at the bottom of the window which is used to change the K value for the degree of compression. By moving the slider, we can see the rate of compression. Rust are also built in the same manner, which enables the user to grasp the specific topic. This is a state machine simulator framework built using Python. Here let's enter an input vector such as 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, and the function applied is defined as machine. Here we are cascading two state machines of gain 3 and 4. The output is produced by using the transduce method of the parent class. Now when we run the program, we can see the input and output values. This shows that how simple it is to understand various state machines and outputs when a function is applied on it. Visualization and simulation has great impacts in learning concepts. The state machine simulator and math visualization tool that we developed has a great future scope. This visualization can revolutionize the learning methodology prevailing in educational institutes. Tools like these can be adapted to teach the fundamental and complicated mathematical concepts which are usually hard to crack. Our project has the capability to help any learner who has difficulties in understanding the mathematical concepts that are included in our project. Our entire work is uploaded as an open source framework library in GitHub. Therefore, any mathematics enthusiast can further our project work by collaborating and contributing to it. Thank you.